So top 5 passive income that you can start or you can make right here in Ghana or in any of the African countries. No matter where you are, if you want to start generating some income aside your 9 to 5 job, stay with me here. Let me show you the practical ones that I'm doing, and I'm making sales every month and every week from it. So without wasting my time, let's jump to it. The first on my list is Facebook content creating. When we talk of Facebook content creating or creating content on Facebook, Facebook has so many ways of monetizing the content. When we talk of content, there are things that we put on the Facebook. So if you are able to put things or post content on Facebook, that means now you can make money from it. And one thing is now Facebook has increased their monetization system to a lot of African countries, whereby you can create your content and monetize your content when you reach the monetization, and every individual can create and make a sales from Facebook. It's not difficult thing. All that you need is to have your phone and get access to the internet. That means you can start creating and making sales from it. To start creating a passive income from Facebook, the first one is you need to make sure you have a page, and your page, before you have a page, make sure you have a niche, what you want to put on your page. After you have gotten your page, there are so many niche that are demanding on the internet or on Facebook. Some of them are funny videos, a post and stuff. You can create all these stuff on Facebook and start making sales or making money monthly on a Facebook. So all that you need is to just head on Facebook, go to create a page, and I don't really recommend or tell my people to use their profile account, turn it to a business account, or turn their profile account and start using it. First go on and create a page. If you go to this side, then you come in, you see a lot of pages here. You click on create a new page, then you click on public page. Don't click on profile or personal profile, click on public page, then you continue with it and create your page. So if you look at this here, these are my page that I have right here. And if you go to the page, you see some content that I've been posting on this page, and it's not just a difficult content. All that you have is what, have access to your phone. And now ChatGPT also is available. If you pick ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT to create a content and monetize it on Facebook. But note, to get a fast growth on Facebook or any social media platform, make sure that you first have about 20 or 15 to 20 content available. So the time you launch your page, you start posting regularly. When you start posting regularly and you'll be patient on it, you'll make money from it. And it's very easy and simple. So start Facebook content creating, and if you look at Facebook right here, you can monetize your posts, your videos, long form videos and short form videos. You can even monetize your pictures and stuff on Facebook. All that you need is just start creating your page and start posting on it. So the second one is starting mini importation. When you talk of mini importation, it's a form of importation business where you import and product from a country or outside your country. Example, if I go to Alibaba right here and I search for a product that my people love it or want to buy it, I'll just go out there and search for this product, buy the product, ship it to in my country, then I start promoting it. So if you have the page, you can start promoting your product on the page. Whilst you are making money from the content that you are creating, aside it, you can also start making money from the product that you have, and you market them on the platform and start making sales from it. So for example, for me, I import product like mini Wi-Fi. So if you look at here, you come in and also you pick the product that you want and you start out shipping them into your country, and you can go to a platform like 1688 and stuff. So make sure you start a mini importation and it will help you. If you want a course, you can go to YouTube and search for this channel. Morning Smile is one of my best coach that teaches on how you can start and mini importation. You can even chat or contact him. He will guide you through the shipping, payment and stuff. so that you become a best and start making sales. And the next thing I've been doing every day is what, selling a data. If you look at the system right here now, data bundle have become one of the most demanding things in the market right here, and a lot of people want to buy data because without data or without a bundle you cannot access the internet. And if you are someone who sell this data bundle, you should be able to what, to make sales from it. So for me, example, come to this platform right here, then I create my account here. And if you look at here, I've already made a video on how you can start this data bundle and process and stuff, so you can check it in this video catalog right here. And if you come to here, example like this platform, Bundle for Africa, all that I have is to create your account. So I already created my account and I have my dashboard right here. This is my dashboard right here. If I come here, all that I need to hit on buy, and then it will take me to the next screen, and then I enter the receiver number. Then I start buying the data bundle for the person who needs the data right here. Okay, you can go to Canva and create a flyer, list the prices of the data. If you compare it to the Telcos, this one that we sell is very cheap, so you can start doing it and you make sales from it. All that you need is what, get your flyer, or you get your poster, you start posting it on your WhatsApp status, all the platform that you have, and you receive and sales every day. The next one is local SEO. And talk of local SEO, a lot of people don't understand it. So SEO is a form of optimizing a product or helping the internet or people to access a product through the internet. But this one, you are not going to do any advert and stuff. All that you are not going to do is what, letting Google have access to your platform or the product or the service that what you provide. So in case someone go online and search for example a digital marketer in Ghana, and then when they search it, Google will choose the person who has the product or has optimized his or her page on the platform and on Google, so that they can have access and select the person for you. So that person may be receiving sales every day through that one. And you can do it for schools, for churches, everywhere. All that you need is what, by putting them on Google Map. Putting them on Google Map is just as simple. You head on to Google Business Profile, then you create their profile account out there, then you put them on the Google Map, you charge them from it. And if you look at here, this one of my account here, if you look at here, I have this one. He's an electrician, and I charge this person 150 cedis from this one that I posted here, and this one also I charge the person 100 cedis and do it. So all that you need is to head on here, and then you create this one for them, you charge them. You can go to the schools, you can go to the local barbering shop and stuff, reach out to them, and then you charge them. Then you creating this one for them, reach out to them one-on-one, then you talk to them, let them know. Even influencers, content creators, all of them need to be found on Google Maps. So in case someone is searching for them for business, they know where they are located and stuff, and they will find them, verify on Google. Okay, so these are the 4 passive income that you can start earning aside your 9 to 5 job. So let me go straight to it again. The first one is start a Facebook content creating. The next one is mini importation, importing from China, Turkey and stuff. Then you sell it to people and make sales from there. Reselling data bundle also is a good one that you can start it. And then the last one is local SEO. That's what I've been doing and making sales every day. So before you start, make sure you don't start all of them at once. Pick one and study it. If you are perfect on it, then you jump to the next one. Don't go straight to all of. See you in the next video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Share this video to people. Join our Telegram channel for exclusive content out there.